Who's at fault for a car accident in Overland Park, Kansas? Hi, I'm J McManus. I'm a car accident attorney and our law firm handles cases in both Kansas and Missouri, and here to answer that question for you. Well, the answer to the question of who's at fault, of course, depends on the circumstances, right? It depends on how the accident occurred. And so there are certain rules that I think are really important to think about when you're trying to figure out who is at fault. But typically, the most important thing to do after an accident is to call the police. You want the police to come to the accident scene so they can document it, and they will do a report, and that report may assign fault for you. Now, when the police come, it doesn't mean that your job's over. You need to make sure that you talk to them and tell them the truth about what happened. You also should take pictures and videos of the accident scene and document it yourself. You may even want to talk to witnesses who are around the accident to get their statement about what they saw. Depending on the circumstances, if the at-fault party or the other parties there that you think's at fault, you should talk to them as well. You should ask for their insurance information, their driver's license, and take pictures of those cards. These are all important steps to take after an accident, and they're also important for helping you and your insurance company determine fault in this situation. Why is fault important? Fault's important because if somebody else causes that accident, not you, then they and their insurance they are liable to pay for repairing your vehicle, for your injuries, for medical treatment, for lost wages, for any damages, including pain and suffering that may result from that accident. So determining fault and having the evidence to support it early on in a case is very helpful. It's critical, honestly, if you have any of those things that I just talked about in order to recover those under the Kansas laws. Now, if any of this sounds overwhelming to you, there's good news. This is what our law firm does. We help people with this every day. If you are having questions about liability or fault in an accident in Overland Park, call us. We are happy to talk to you, even in terms of just a free consultation, to give you an honest assessment. We'd be happy to review your accident report or any photographs and give you our thoughts as to who might be at fault or what, if there is value that we can offer as a firm for your case, what kind of value that is. Our number's below, and I look forward to talking to you.